warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Dzakira from MTSN 1 Pati. Today, I invite you to close your eyes. Imagine a river so calm, a palace so grand, and a love story so powerful. It breaks a curse. This is the legend of Keong Emas, the golden snail. Long time ago, in the heart of Kauripan Kingdom, lived a princess named Dzakira. Her beauty was only revealed by her kindness. People adored her, not for her crown, but for her compassion. She was engaged to the noble prince Pati, and their love sparkled like stardust in the eyes of the people. But not everyone rejoiced. Her jealous stepsister, Dzakira, burned with envy. Ew! Why must she have everything? The beauty, the love, the crown. Ugh! Blinded by hatred, Dzakira sought help from a dark sorceress. Under a moonless sky, a terrible curse was cast. Let her crawl like a cradle. Let her vanish into naught. And just like that, poor Dzakira was turned into a golden snail, Keong Emas, and tossed into the river. The currents carried her far away from home, away from love. But fate has a mysterious way of working. One day, the graceful Dzakira, a noble lady of another kingdom, was strolling along the river bank. The sunlight danced on the water when, plink! Her golden ring slipped from her finger and disappeared beneath the waves. Panicked, she searched and searched until something shimmered from the riverbed. Not her ring, but the golden snail. It was Keong Emas. Dzakira picked up the snail gently, placing it in a silver bowl. She had no idea that she was holding a princess cursed by envy. Each morning, Dzakira left her house, and when she returned, something strange had happened. The table was set, the flowers had bloomed, the floor sparkled, but no one was there. Confused, she pretended to leave and watch it. Suddenly, the golden snail began to glow. A swirl of light, a shimmer of gold, and standing in place of the snail was a radiant woman in royal attire. It was Princess Dzakira, finally breaking free from the curse. Who are you? I am Dzakira, cursed by my sister's jealousy. You set me free with your kindness. Tears welled in Dzakira's eyes. News of her return spread like wildfire. Prince Pati, who had never stopped searching, galloped across kingdoms to find her. When he saw her, he leaped from his horse, heart pounding. Dzakira! Is it really you? Yes, my prince. Our love has conquered the darkness. They embraced under the golden sky. And the people cheered, not just for a love rekindled, but for a curse that was broken by patience and love. As for Dewi Galuh, she was banished from the kingdom, her heart colder than stone, her name swallowed by time. Dear my friends, what is the moral value of this story? Keong Emas teach us that even in the deepest darkness, hope glows like gold. That true beauty lies not in appearance, but in kindness. And that love real, forgiving love, patience, is the most powerful magic of all. That's all for today. Thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.